What's wrong, puppy? You have the hiccups. It's okay. Maybe you should take a big breath. Oh, poor puppy. Oh. Maybe I should give you some peanut butter? It's okay, puppy. They'll go away soon. Okay, I'll get you some peanut butter.